साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः। गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः।
खुशियाँ हैं बाहें फैलाए, आशाओं के बादल छाए, कोई उमंग है ये जिंदगी रे।
एक धरती का आंचल ओढ़े, दिल से दिल के धागे जोड़े, बांटे जहां में अपनी खुशी रे।
रीत की रीत सिखाते हुए दिल मिलाते हैं पर्दों पे हम।
दिलों में प्यार की ज्योति जगाते हुए आ जाओ मिलके हम तुम ये कहे।
Happy Teachers Day!
A very good morning to all my respected teachers. I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. Since 1962, Teachers Day celebrated on 5th September every year in India. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Teachers are regarded as backbone of the society. Teachers are often compared to the captain of a ship who help us to reach the right destination in life. We must always love and respect them. So, a big thank you to all my lovable teachers. Thank you.
Hello everyone. First of all, a very happy Teachers Day to all of you. I thank you for being a part of my schooling days. I missed that school a lot. All those days I spent in that school were amazing. All those skits I've done, all the places we went for picnic. Only one place or two, no, only two places we went for picnic, but still that experience was amazing. Then the sports meet memory, all those, like if I start saying, I I will not stop because we had a bag full of memories. But now, but I seriously miss everything, each and everything of that school. And have I ever mentioned that you all are the best teachers I've ever had? Because I've been to six school, I got a chance to study under a lot of teachers, but you all were just extraordinary because you were too caring, too friendly, like extremely talented teachers, and most of you treated us like your own children. And I would say that if we were the blood of that school, you all are the backbone and you'll always be the best. So, yeah, thank you. Bye.
Hello everyone, I hope every teacher must be watching this video. With everyone, Sridevi ma'am, Lata ma'am, Principal ma'am, Rakhi ma'am, PT sir, Sumati ma'am, Gauri ma'am, everyone must be watching this video. First of all, a very happy Teachers Day to everyone. And today, I'll be sharing something that I never got the chance to say it publicly in front of all the teachers. For students, school is not the place only to study. It's the place to have fun, to make memories, to do things which should not be done and then get scoldings from the teacher and then repeat it again. We never stop after all. And everything, whether our fight for football tournament or our trip in that muddy area, we had the fun of ultimate level. And every teacher treated us like their own children. Some of them treated us like their friends. So it was, those 5 years have been wonderful. Those 5 years were wonderful and the best of our school life. And I took all the names in the beginning to just tell you that yes, I remember all the teachers. And once again, a very happy Teachers Day to everyone. Thank you.
Hi everyone, Happy Teachers Day to all of you. पहचाना मुझे? मनमीत मिस, आप सब लोगों ने मुझे याद रखा आज के दिन, ऐसा मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई। ऐसा लग रहा है कि जैसे मैं आप सब लोगों के साथ ही हूँ। और मुझे तो अपना वो 68 बर्थडे याद आ गया जब मैंने आप सब लोगों के साथ मिलकर सेलिब्रेट किया था। और मेरी तरफ से मालती मैम को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं कि उन्होंने अपने बेटे की शादी कर दी है, वो सास बन गई हैं। और आया लोगों को भी मैं ऐसे टाइम में कैसे भूल सकती हूँ, मेरे को सभी आया लोगों की भी बहुत याद आती है। सब आया लोगों को मेरी तरफ से हाय हेलो बोलना, उनको भी बोलना अपने बच्चों का ध्यान रखें। और एयरफोर्स स्कूल की टीचर्स को तो मैं अच्छे से जानती हूँ कि वो सारा टाइम इंस्पेक्शन में जैसे टिप टॉप रहती थी, वैसे ही ये कोरोना काल में भी एकदम रॉकिंग रहेंगी। और मैं चाहती हूँ कि जैसे मैं स्वीट 17 से अभी 18 हुई हूँ, ऐसे ही एयरफोर्स स्कूल की टीचर्स सब स्वीट 16 रहे और इस कोरोना काल में बुरे वक्त में डटकर मुकाबला करें। मेरी तरफ से आप सबको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और आप सब लोग अपना ध्यान रखें, खुश रहें। बाय, थैंक यू।
Teacher. Having one is a blessing, being one is a privilege. I feel both blessed and privileged. I've got so many wonderful teachers during my school days and college days and feel blessed for that. And now, being a teacher, I feel privileged too. I started my teaching career at Air Force School Avadi and I feel lucky for that. Our principal ma'am, all the senior teachers, all the young teachers who joined with me, all have been a great support for me. It was just like a family. And I'm really missing you all a lot. On this day, I would like to wish everyone a very happy Teachers' Day. Bye.
Hello everyone. It is so nice to be talking to you all once again. First of all, I would like to convey my heartiest greetings on the occasion of Teachers' Day to Principal Ma'am, teachers and all the staff of Air Force School, Avadi. A very happy Teachers' Day to all of you. I know you must be missing the usual Teachers' Day this year, but still being able to connect to everybody still today, that is the best part of it. But there is a positive side also. Now we are being able to stay more at home with our family, giving time to the children, our elderlies, isn't it? So we have to carry on with our life like that. We have also become more self-dependent, self-reliant, Atmanirbhar. and it has taught us so many things. We should be able to convey this and give this to our children also and to our students also. I won't take much of your time, but the children also must be remembering you on this day. They must be missing you really. You should always remember that the world may look at you just as a teacher, but to the students you will always be their hero. Jai Hind, happy Teachers Day once.